Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Today I describe only three questions. First question, do you like pizza? Yes, I really like pizza. It is one of the most favorite foods. On the other hand, it is very tasty as well as enjoyable. Second question, what type of pizza do you like? I like cheese pizza because it is very soft, tasty and filling. Sometimes I eat vegetables pizza. I enjoy eating pizza with my friends. I feel happy. We eat together. Third question. Why do you like pizza? We like pizza because it is very tasty, soft and enjoyable moment. We can mix it everywhere at home or outside. It feel makes me us it is very happy. I enjoy this moment. It is very good. Think is thank you.